Okay, I am here with Matthew McCrick from the Canadian startup Neanderclone. Matt, many thanks for your time.
You're very welcome.
So, what is Neanderclone about?
We are about de-extincting the Neanderthal.
Okay, and I believe you already have a creature which you claim with good scientific basis is a de-extinct Neanderthal.
We have de-extincted the Neanderthal. We have one very good specimen.
So can you describe this specimen for us, please?
So the specimen has short, stocky limbs. He's very hairy, as was known because it was colder times. He's a very high muscle content, high fat content. Very bold facial features, bushy eyebrows, etc.
So basically, this is a human species de-extinct, which is Ice Age adapted.
This is a Neanderthal. It's not a human, it's a Neanderthal.
So, and just to be sure, just to make sure, you already have a living, walking Neanderthal specimen here.
We have a Neanderthal, yes.
So basically, it looks like a Neanderthal, it walks like a Neanderthal, it is a Neanderthal.
It grunts like a Neanderthal.
And so let's get a little bit to the genetics. So what is the genetic percentage of Neanderthal DNA in this creature which you have?
So we have achieved a 2% DNA crossover restoration into this Neanderthal, which is significantly more than the supposed direwolf that other company is talking about right now.
Yeah, so basically 2% of the DNA in the creature which you have, walking around, living, is Neanderthal DNA.
Yes, approximately 2%.
Yeah, so again, and this is much, much more than the roughly 20 gene edits which that previous de-extinction of the direwolf had.
We're talking tens or hundreds of thousand-fold increase
Many
in
orders
the
of
amount
magnitude.
Yes.
So which genetic methods did you use to get to create this creature?
Oh, we just found this guy. He was walking around.
Okay, so then where do the 2% of the Neanderthal DNA then come from?
That came from his mom and his dad.
So basically the feature is that most humans, essentially all humans who don't have exclusively African genetic heritage, have about 2% of Neanderthal DNA.
It's possible that in this specimen it's even slightly higher, 3 or even 4%. Wait till you see him.
Okay, so essentially you found a guy walking around who looked very much like a Neanderthal, who has a high Neanderthal DNA content, and this is your de-extinct Neanderthal.
He is de-extinct.
Well, congratulations to this amazing milestone. So what are your future plans for Neanderclone?
Our future plans is we need to look for some further funding. We're going to try and raise the second round of investments, maybe through some venture capitalists, hopefully through some government funding, government grants, etc., so that we can continue to de-extinct the Neanderthal.
So essentially what you told me before, off the record, you already have some investors waiting. They've not signed the dotted line yet, but we are talking about tens of millions of dollars.
Yes, tens of millions. Yes.
Okay, so but you are, while you have investors in the waiting, you're still eager to talk to more investors, is that correct?
Always eager to talk to new investors, yes.
Okay.
Always looking at potential new channels for funding for this research.
Perfect. So the link to your amazing startup is in the description. Please contact Matt anytime you have pointers to venture capitalists or people who want to invest into this amazing de-extinction startup here. And again, thank you for your time, Matt.
Thank you. Don't forget us at Neanderclone.